How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So the 5 things you never want to do while riding. So number 1, the most obvious, you never want to be drinking and riding or any type of impairment. And maybe you're just sleepy, or maybe you had a bad night, you didn't sleep too well, maybe you're just coming off of a cold, or you're on medication, drugs, alcohol, all that stuff. Just the best choice is just not to ride. This is already too dangerous by itself, just perfectly sober and alert. So anything else that you just push and risk, you're just adding to the risk level, and it's just not worth it. So definitely don't do any of that. The second thing you never want to do while riding is riding without gear. So the only protection we have is what you wear. And an easy thought experiment is this. So get in a car, go 55 miles per hour, open the door and jump out. Well, obviously that's going to be a bad day. So at least with good quality gear, the damage will be minimal. You're still going to get hurt. Hey kitty, what's up? You want to make a video? Okay. But even with gear, you're going to, you're probably still going to get hurt, but the damage will be way less likely, right? And I don't care how hot it is. I don't care what excuse you have. It's all just, who cares? I'd rather sweat than bleed. Always wear gear all the time. Full quality gear, head to toe, good boots, good gloves, jacket, pants, armor, everything. Full face helmet, just wear all the good gear. You don't want to regret sitting, you don't want to be in the hospital or with a broken leg or whatever else somewhere, just thinking, why didn't I just wear the gear? Why did I take this one chance and ride with, you know, the sweatshirt on? Why did I do that? You don't want to have that regret. Trust me, just wear full quality gear every single time you ride. Another thing to never do while riding is grabbing the brakes. Any motorcycle crash, you want to guarantee you'll crash very quickly, is start grabbing that brake lever. So you could squeeze the brake and go into a turn, out of a turn, into a turn, no problem, by squeezing and unsqueezing the brake. No problem. The tires can handle a tremendous load. They cannot handle an abrupt load, as you could see with this demonstration, right? You could really push down on that tire and gets a really good load onto it, but once you hit it, that tire is just going to wash out. So don't grab the brakes. Upright, in the corner, U-turns, never, ever, ever. It's never a good idea. Don't grab the brakes. Another good way to put yourself on the ground very quickly is trying to add lean angle and add throttle at the same exact time. That's a good way to wash out the front. There's no load on the front tire. When you get on the throttle, the weight goes backwards. When you start to add lean angle, you're losing grip as well, and the front tire just washes out. So never, ever, ever add throttle and add lean angle at the same time. And the last thing to never do while riding is trying to keep up with riders quicker than you. So we all need to set aside our ego and just understand there's always going to be someone faster than you, and there's always going to be someone who is willing to take more risks than you. But you just have to be very disciplined with yourself and just understand, look, my goal is to get home every day. No one's giving me a trophy. Nobody's handing me a check at the end of this ride on the street. Why in the world would I try to keep up with other people? Like, look, you guys want to go through the corner at whatever speed. If I want to go 30 miles per hour less through that corner than you, that's exactly what I want to do. We're all going to the gas station, right? I have the GPS. I know where we're going. Yeah, I'll meet you there. I don't care if it takes me 15 minutes longer than you. I'll meet you at the gas station. You're not gonna impress anybody. Nobody's gonna come visit you in the hospital if you go into a corner way too fast for your skill and you end up crashing. No one's gonna come walk your dog. No one's gonna come do your job for you. Nobody's gonna come take care of you. So you are the only one who's gonna pay the consequences if you crash. So who do you think the only person is who should decide how quick you're going? You. And if you're going too quick for your comfort, slow the hell down. I don't care if I'm the slowest rider on the whole ride of 1,000 people. I know I'm getting home every single day, and that is my priority, and nothing takes priority over that, I guarantee you. So don't ever do these 5 things. If you don't do these 5 things, the likelihood of you crashing drops dramatically if you just simply don't do these things. So there we go.